So let's start with understanding how many movements we have in the spine. So today's class, we'll talk about each movement, and each movement we'll do a standing asana and a sitting asana to understand the movement. This stretch is called axial extension. Inhale, arms up. Pull the navel in. Chin parallel to the floor. Stomach in. Now start to lift up more. Now start to draw from the back as you lift up from the front of your body. Draw back the back of you. Whoever cannot sit straight on their sit bones, please roll your mat. And then place your buttocks here so that you're not slouching. It has to be lifted up. So now start to lift from the lower back. Start to create the connection. We are not wanting to sit here. We want to move up to the sit bone. Draw the core in. And now lift the arms up. Create the length. Create more length. And now with the length created, as you move your arms down, keep the length. Lift the chest. Stay there. This is called in yoga Dandasana. Uttanasana. So let's go. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, start. And bend the knees if you need to. Hang down. Shoulders away from the ears. Start to feel the breath in your spine.